नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ JSW Energy shares tumble 9% after Q3 result. Sick breakdown here. JSW Energy reported a 150.22% YoY jumps in net profit to 419.94 crore for the quarter in the December 2025 compared with 167.83 crore a year earlier. Shares of JSW Energy Ltd tumbled over 9% on Tuesday even as the company reported over two-fold jumps year-on-year. Jumps in the net profit for the third quarter of the current financial year, Q3 financial year 2026. The power generation company stock fell as much as 9 to 3% during the day to the 432.8 per share, the biggest intraday fall since January 29, 2025. The stock paired losses to trade 7% lower at 444 APs compared to a 0.34% advance in Nifty 50 as of 10:04 am. Shares of the company fell for the second straight session and currently trade at 16 times the average 30-day trading volume. According to Bloomberg, the counter has fallen 8% this year compared to a 3 to 8% decline in the benchmark Nifty 50. JSW Energy has a total market capitalization of 77,827.13 crore. JSW Energy Q3 result. JSW Energy reported a 150.22% YoY jump in net profit to reach 419.94 crore for the quarter ended December 2025, compared with 167.83 crore a year earlier. Revenue rose 67.36% to 4,081.76 crore from 2,438.88 crore in the corresponding period. Overall power generation in Q3 financial year 2026 declined 1.2% year-on-year to 422 billion units, weighted down by the subdued thermal generation. All India power demand also slipped 0.1% year-on-year to 392 billion units, impacted by an extended monsoon and the cooler temperature. Thank you.